Must be a killer somewhere around here. This is gonna be a fun game. You alright? Yeah. There's a killer somewhere around here. There must be other players left. Could be. What should we do now? We should survive. Unless we have a timer. So we should survive by a vampire. So let's get out of here. Why? What? What'd you stop for? I don't know. I'm just thinking about something. Like what? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Are these players' stuff? You sure? Cause they don't look like this. Their stuff. You sure? Cause it looks like they dropped their stuff now. I think there was someone here who died. Oh no. Look! Over there! What? There was no one there, dude. Why'd you just say like there was someone there? I just saw someone. Come on. Just follow. This is strange. Why are we walking? I thought I heard something. What was that? I think it came from this way, maybe. Alright, let's go check. Wait, shut. I think someone's there. Wait. On go. 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, those are not the killers. Those are players. Wait, so then who's the killer? I don't know. We just gotta find out. Oh, hey guys, what are you doing there?
Oh, I don't know. We're just here. Well, we're here like you guys.
Wait a minute. So then, who? Do you guys figure out who killed the other players?
I don't know.
Yeah, we should check it out. So I think we should split up, maybe. No, don't split up. Let's stay together. All right then, let's do this. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna speak right now. So we're gonna do something. So we're gonna find out where he is. So wait a minute, isn't he over there just laying down? Nah, that's not him. You sure? Because I think he has a sword. No. By the way, they also have the like let's say shoulders. Because I remember they added the downloads for your hands. Wait, why were we talking about downloads? Hey guys. Not now. I'm just talking. So what we need to do is find out who the killer is, guys. Not now, man. Yeah. So we just got over here, guys. He's gone, and he took the papers. Well, wait. What were those papers for? I don't know. I think he is gone. You sure that wasn't the killer? I'm pretty sure it's not the killer. No! You're a monster!
I am already a monster, and I'm here to kill you. Say goodbye.
No! Ah! Oh, no, how could you? Guys, we gotta run. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, I almost got you. Alright, give me your other hand. Alright, I will. Phew. Oh, man. Finally we made it up here. I don't know why it's so hard to get up here. But, wait a minute. Where did he go? Who? The killer? No. I mean, like, our friend. Where did he go? I don't know. He ran off, maybe. Oh, shit. Oh, let me just lay down for a sec. I'll talk to you right now. Later, maybe. Oh, wait. There's weapons? Oh, finally. We can kill the killer now. Is anyone behind me? Ah! What was that? I don't know. Wait, look! Oh no, I think we're the last ones. You sure? I think. Ooh! You alright? He's right behind you. No! How could you?
Unless you're the only one left.
You know what? Screw you. Alright. I just gotta go get the gun. Alright. Put your hands up.
No. I'm not putting my hands up.
What do you mean?
It's already over.
It's not over. You're still gonna be dead.
I'll kill you for it.
He's dead. It's finally over. What am I gonna do now? I think I should get out of here. I think there was a car somewhere. I think I'll take these. There it is. Let's just take these stuff back. I think that's all of them. Let's get out of here. I'm so sad because my friends are gone. Oh well. Those dead bodies will be here for a long time.